Hey, what is up guys, my name is Talha and you're watching Gadget Sphere. Today I'm going to tell you the best ways how you can optimize your Galaxy M21. Number 1 is go in software information, and from here you need to tap on the build number 7 times. This will enable the developer options for you. So go back in developer options and then you have to scroll all the way down until I will show you where you have to stop scrolling. And these are very unique tricks that can work on any smartphone. By the way, I just received the OneUi 2.5 which I love. Tap on show tabs. This is a very important option. It will help you a lot. Now you need to scroll down a little bit more and then you will find one option, the animation scales. Do the above two to 0.5 and the last one to 1. Leave it at 1, it will look smoother. Now go down and do the minimum width to 360. This is the best way how you can optimize it. Now again scroll all the way down and find this into MSAA option 4x and enable this simply. This is very easy, and now where I'm going to show you some couple more tips you should definitely follow. And that is, if you guys have lots of store, like you have lots of images and videos, the best and the simple way to speed up your smartphone is just to delete the unwanted one. Like, why on earth I need this PC photo, it's just like useless now. So just tap on the remove to recycle bin and boom, and then you can again like delete it from the recycle bin if you want to. Now this app is also very important to check your storage, that is Z Archiver. To download this, just simply head on the Play Store and search here Z Archiver. So just search Z Archiver and you will be good to go. There you guys can see this is the app. Make sure you have installed it, and once you will open the app you can see your total storage just by tapping here. This is my total storage, and if you have something which you want to delete, just scroll down, go in downloads, and in downloads you can delete the thing you want to, like this one you guys can see origin packs. Just tap on delete. You can see this is very big, 28.56 GB. So I want to delete it. Just tap on delete and then press yes. It will take few seconds to delete because it's a very large file, but I think it will be very quick. There you go, it's done. Now one more tip I want to tell you guys, which is very important, is you need to manage your device like it's very important to manage. You need to go all the way down and you need to find an option called digital well-being. Here you can see how much time you have used it, and you need to reduce animation. Just tap on the option reduce animations. It itself will make your smartphone a lot faster. Motion and gesture, make sure the smart stay is off. This is gonna cause lots of battery problems, so make sure this is definitely off. Now you need to go back and you need to go in device care. In device care, simply go in memory, and in memory you can just press on like clean up. Just go in memory and then you need to see where an option called clean now. Just press on it and there you go. It will nicely clean all the memory you have, and it will make your smartphone even faster. This is just like freeing up RAM. This is pretty much it for today's video. If you want to talk to me personally, make sure you follow me on Instagram. This is my ID, and I love talking to my lots of subscribers. Here are the persons whom I have talked. This is it. Hope you like it. Make sure you follow. Peace out.